Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to save edited Instagram photos without posting them. Open the Instagram app. Pick the photo that you want to edit and make your edits and add filters, etc. Press Next in the top right corner. Type in a description, add a location. Now, enable airplane mode through the toggle options. Move back to Instagram and select Share. The photo won't get posted successfully. You will see a small message saying will automatically post when possible. Tap the three dots to the right of the text. To cancel the photo upload, tap Disregard Post option, and then again tap Disregard. You should be able to see the edited photo in your Instagram folder. Finally, you can disable airplane mode. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.